Get your favorite internet browser, like Chrome, on your desktop or laptop computer, and go to the www.clover.com. Log into your Clover account using your Clover credentials. I am using my username and password. You should have received your username and password from Clover. When you log in, you will see your Clover dashboard. If you have already installed SeatOn for Restaurants, you should have it listed on the menu. On the other hand, if you don't have SeatOn installed, from the menu, select More Tools in order to install the application. Search and find SeatOn for Restaurants in the application list, and click on its icon. Click the green button, Connect, in order to install the application. Select appropriate subscription plan for you. Click Accept to install. Once you install SeatOn, you can open the application and proceed with its setup.